सरकाराच्या वेगवेगळ्या खात्यांनी कंत्राटी पद्धतीचेर काम करपी कामगारांक सरकारान न्याय दिवचो. 5 वर्सां परस चड तेंप काम करपी कामगारांक सेवेत कायम करचे. दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनान मागणी केल्या. म्हारगाये आड पणजेच्या आझाद मैदानाचेर आंदोलन करप्यांचेर लाठीचार्ज करपाचे घडणुकेचोय ताणें निशेध केलो. तशेंच हेर गजालींचेरूय ताणें सरकाराचेर फोग काडलो.
Every day in the newspapers, we see that so many jobs will be there, so many jobs have been created, and many people come to us with their interview letters. Very nice, we are happy, because this government, every time the elections come close, they regularize mining, they give jobs, but soon after election, they forget. One thing I will tell the Chief Minister and also Minister for Health, Minister for Power, all these ministers I want to remind, there are hundreds of Goans and youth who are working in various departments. Some of them over 5 years, some of them 3 years. They are as work charges or contract basis. I would request the government, you people are elected by the public, please make sure that all these who have been working for 5 years and above should be regularized, even though you have to call them and have interview, but see that they are regularized. And don't take new people and keep them aside after working for 5 years. I've been also Chief Minister. When I was there, I regularized all those who have worked for 5 years and above. So I hope you will not take them for a ride by calling them, giving them false promises, by calling them for interview and regularize somebody else. Second thing, so we had floods, and it is unfortunate, especially in Musgaon, because of that water from the dam. So it was totally inundated. Many poor people, they may be mud houses, their houses collapsed. Up to now, many of them have not been given money to rebuild their houses or part of the houses, especially in Nanus. The other day I read in the paper, I want to tell the Chief Minister and others, you all are not doing a favor to the notice of the government. I don't know what is wrong with BJP at the center and also here. Yesterday our youth, they were lathi charged, and most of the police were without their names, except the device P. I want to ask them, what is this democracy? See the price of gas cylinder, see the price of petrol, and based on the price of petrol, everything, all other things, they revolve around the price of petrol. Commodities go up, everything goes up, and this government has closed their eyes. I remember when Congress government was there, if 1 rupee was increased, they would come on the road. Today the prices have nearly touched 100, in some places is beyond. Gas cylinders has come to 800 and odd, the other day they increased 25 rupees. I don't know why the government is blind and deaf to the feelings of the people. Please open your eyes. Elections will come, that time the Congress party will show them. But that is secondary. There is time for election. Till then, don't provoke people. Till then, don't make people suffer. Because if whether you are elected or you are the borrowed government from Congress, it is your duty to look after the people of this state.